How to use formulas in Microsoft Word. Have you ever felt the need to calculate something in a Word document and you didn't want to use other programs like Excel? Stay until the end and find out how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, you need to open the document you want. I will select this document where I have some values that I want to calculate. As you can see, I have a table here in which we want to calculate the sum of these columns. How can we do that? We will open the Table Layout tab. Here we can find the Formula option. When we find it, we will click on it. A window will open in which we can choose how the formula will look. We can also choose the format in which the result will be. But if we look a little closer, we will see that a sum has been chosen here. That's not all. If we choose the last option in this window, we can see which functions we can choose. Choose the one that suits you. I will leave the sum because I want to calculate it. All that remains for me is to click and the sum will be calculated. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.